Hello, my name is Allison Jackson, and I'm an attorney with Edgerton, McAfee, Armistead, and Davis. It's been my privilege to serve as your barrister's president this year. Welcome to the Knoxville Bar Association's annual Law Day. Today, we're celebrating the practice of law and exploring the history of the 19th Amendment, the contributions of some amazing trailblazing women, and learning what happens when we work together to break down barriers. We're so glad that you've joined us. When I took office in December last year, I did not and could not have anticipated what 2020 would bring. I've served as your barrister's president for 8 months now, and I can tell you, but I probably don't have to, that this has been a challenging but rewarding year for our organization. I'm so proud of our legal community, our bar, and in particular the young lawyers, the barristers, who have worked to improve our profession under unprecedented conditions and circumstances this year. Despite hectic work schedules, billable hour requirements, family obligations, and other limitations imposed because of COVID-19, the barristers have contributed in a big way to pro bono and other volunteer initiatives this year. As many of you are aware, the Barristers Volunteer Breakfast Committee relies upon many hands to make light work of providing, preparing, and serving breakfast to the homeless, elderly, and vulnerable populations, the Volunteer Ministry Center. That happens the fourth Thursday of every month. Our committee chairs, Mitchell Painter and Matt Nabel, are tasked with coordinating financial support and volunteers to accomplish this task. Unfortunately, the pandemic has virtually eliminated the ability to coordinate volunteers for this effort and to use the resources that are traditionally provided by VMC. So, Mitchell and Matt have been shopping, preparing, and delivering breakfast on their own to the vulnerable population at Volunteer Ministry Center since the pandemic started. Because of their efforts and selflessness, the barristers have not missed an opportunity to serve those in need. The Access to Justice Committee has coordinated the Veterans Legal Advice Clinic in conjunction with Legal Aid of East Tennessee, the University of Tennessee College of Law, Lincoln Memorial University Duncan School of Law, the Knox County Public Defender's Community Law Office, and the local VA office. This clinic provides general advice to referrals to veterans in our community who are experiencing a wide variety of legal issues. We look forward to continuing to provide this good work in a virtual setting in the near future. The Law School Mentor Committee has successfully coordinated mock interview opportunities for students at both the University of Tennessee College of Law and also at Lincoln Memorial University Duncan School of Law. We had the opportunity to meet some amazing future lawyers and provide them with valuable interview experience. The Barristers Mock Trial Committee coordinated the 2020 mock trial competition as well, which was an enormous success. Our committee chairs, Erica Green and Jimmy Snodgrass, even expanded the competition to absorb additional teams when another region canceled their own mock trial tournament at the last minute. Organizing the mock trial competition is a monumental task, and we received excellent feedback and reviews from participating coaches and teams this year. The Barristers Diversity Committee has focused our organization's attention this year on issues affecting our friends and colleagues of color, because racism cannot be tolerated, especially the systemic racism that many of our friends and colleagues of color have faced their entire lives. We're listening to our members and actively seeking ideas and contributions. If you have suggestions about ways that we can better serve our members in this area, please reach out to me, Sujin Kim, or Jessica Jernigan Johnson. We can and will do more. The barristers are looking at the remainder of 2020 with optimism, and of course, we plan to have some fun. Constitution Day is Thursday, September 17th. Many of you may not be aware that the KBA was the first bar association in the state to host an educational program in area schools on Constitution Day. We're very proud of this. The Constitution Day program teaches young students in traditionally underserved Knox County schools the history, relevance, and critical importance that our Constitution plays in successful American society. Our Constitution Day and School Outreach Committee intends to make the event virtual this year. We look forward to expanding the event into more classrooms. The Barristers Athletics Committee has planned the annual Lawyers Link Up Charity Golf Tournament that's going to be October 26, 2020 at Holston Hills Country Club. We encourage early signups as the number of participants is limited. The Hunger and Poverty Relief Committee is planning to hold its fall coat drive to benefit CARM and the professional clothing drive to benefit the YWCA, CARM, and Connect Ministries this fall. Please look for boxes in and around your workplace where you can place your donation. We will also hold our annual canned food drive to benefit Second Harvest Food Bank of East Tennessee. This event is virtual, as it always is, and we appreciate your continued generosity in making donations to this worthy cause. The Membership Services Committee plans to reschedule the summer party, which is called the Fiesta on Central, to a date in October. And the Diversity Committee is optimistic that we will also be able to hold our annual diversity mixer in the late fall. Stay tuned for details regarding both of these fun events. As you can see, the barristers are doing and will continue to do great things this year. However, none of our efforts would be possible without your continued support. At the end of the day, barristers is about development, developing relationships, developing law practice, developing leadership skills, and developing those around you. Because barristers is open to such a diverse group of people, Barristers brings together new attorneys and those who have been in practice for years to provide the kind of informal mentoring which has always been foundational to the practice of law. Lawyers need to be around other good lawyers to become good lawyers. Barristers is designed to achieve that goal. So please make sure that the barristers eligible attorneys in your workplace are participating this year. Now, I'm going to turn things over to the Barristers Mock Trial Committee for this year's report. Erica?
Hi, I am Erica Green, and I'm an attorney at Kramer Racing. Jimmy Snodgrass and I are the mock trial co-chairs. This year, the competition took place February 21st and 22nd at the City County Building, and then the final round took place February 23rd at LMU's Duncan School of Law. We were happy to have 11 teams from 8 different schools participate. Normally, we are open to districts 2, 3, and 4, but this year we also opened our doors and we're happy to have teams from District 1 participate as well. So we had teams from Carter, Farragut, Jefferson County, Knox Catholic, Powell, Seymour, Unicoi County, and Webb all join us. We want to give an extra special congratulations to the team from Powell who won first place. That team is coached by Chris Beatty. And then we also want to congratulate the team from Farragut, their blue team, which is coached by Ben Collins. They received second place. Both of those teams were supposed to go on to the state tournament in March, but unfortunately, due to the coronavirus, that was not able to take place this year. But they should still be very proud, as well as should all of the teams who all did an excellent job. We received such good feedback from all of our volunteer judges who were very impressed by the participation this year. And speaking of, we really want to say thank you again to all of the judges, attorneys, and law students who volunteered and gave up their weekend to come and help us out with this competition. If you served as presiding judges, scoring judges, bailiffs, or were just there to lend a helping hand, we so appreciate you. This year we had 34 KBA attorney volunteers and 26 law student volunteers. You guys all did an excellent job. You're amazing, and we really could not do it without you. So thank you. Lastly, I also want to congratulate the students who received the awards for Best Attorney and Best Witness. Elias Smith received the award for Best Attorney, and Jordan Velez received the award for Best Witness. And this was of the whole competition. Both of those students were on the Farragut Silver team. So congratulations, you guys. You guys should be so proud. You did wonderful. Thank you again to all the teams who participated and to everybody who helped out and made this a wonderful competition this year. We're really hoping that we're able to do it again next year. Okay, I'm going to invite Allie back up now. Thank you, guys.
All right, at this time, I would like to turn it over to Constitution Day and School Outreach Committee. That's Michael Tao and Zach Walden.
Thank you, Allie. Constitution Day is celebrated on September 17th to celebrate the anniversary of the ratification of the Constitution. 2 years ago, the Barristers began a school outreach project with Knox County Schools that began at Christenberry Elementary. This year, we are proud to have expanded our program to Christenberry Elementary, Maynard Elementary, and South Knox Elementary. Every year, members of the Barristers go in and teach a lesson to second and third graders in Knox County about the United States Constitution. The kids then spend a week learning more about the Constitution and preparing presentations. Members of our local judiciary are always happy to go back into Knox County schools and interact with the kids and learn what they have learned. So this year we would like to thank all of our volunteers, Barristers Luke Einen, Eddie Smith, Chuck Sherritt, Allison Starnes-Anglia, Courtney Reed, Laura Wyrick, Richard Graves, as well as members of the local judiciary, Judge Kyle Hickson, Judge Suzanne Bachnight, Judge Chuck Cerny, Judge Lisa Lowe, Judge Christy Davis, and Judge Debbie Poplin.
And hello, everyone. I'm Michael Tao. This year, though Constitution Day is going to be held a little bit differently, we're going to be trying to do something virtual. We don't have any set plans for that because Knox County currently has very important things that they're dealing with, but we are looking at doing a virtual option, hopefully via Zoom or via recorded video, to where the kids can still have this program that we started a couple years back, and we look forward to doing that. Thanks.